Hey guys, what's up? It's CT out in the garage. I thought I'd give you guys a quick shop update, let you know what I've been up to and where I've been. I just got back from Seattle. I was on vacation with my wife for the first time in a long time. We got away for a few days and we decided to go to the Pacific Northwest and see all the beautiful sights there. And let me tell you, it was amazing. I've never been that far west. It was absolutely beautiful. If you guys have never been, I absolutely recommend it. It was very, very nice. But I am back and the shop is pretty much how I left it. If you guys watched the last couple videos, you know about the 914. Name is yet determined, to be determined. So if you guys have some more ideas about that, let me know. I know Goldie and a few other names popped up. So I think what we'll do is we'll try to get it running, and then once it's running or has some signs of life, we can we'll lock in a name at that point. But pretty sure it's a girl. Rusty needs a girlfriend. Keep him occupied out here in the shop. He was getting a little lonely. But I just wanted to give you guys a quick shop update. There's been a lot going on. I wasn't really planning on getting this car, so I have to kind of rethink my schedule on how I'm going to incorporate the Porsche into the Rusty build. I think it'll be fine. I'm gonna focus mainly on Rusty and continue to do that until we get him up and running and driving, which hopefully we'll be able to do here in the next couple months. He'll be an ongoing project for a while as far as the body work and all that stuff goes, but I still would love to get him up and running and driving in a couple of months and then work on him from there. Hopefully the Porsche 914 will be up and running sooner. That's my goal anyway. Of course, you know, once we dig into it, we might find that it has some major issues, but I'm hoping that there's nothing too bad wrong with it, and we can get some fresh fuel in it, maybe change the fuel lines, and obviously check the brakes and stuff like that, and hopefully we'll be able to get them up and running soon. Who knows? We'll find out. Anyway, check out this gas tank I got for Rusty. I got it from Wolfsburg West and it is beautiful. I mean, they do an amazing job. It's really, really nice. We will be replacing Rusty's gas tank, which, if I remember correctly, isn't too bad on the inside. We'll find out once we pull it out. We'll take a closer look at it. Obviously we won't throw it away, we'll keep it, but it'll be nice to know that we have a brand new tank with all new parts and we don't have to worry about rust getting in Rusty's brand new rebuilt engine. So that'll be nice. That will be really, really nice. So I got a special surprise this week. I sent Rusty's carburetor and fuel pump and distributor to an awesome guy, Ed Fall at Vintage Werks. He specializes in the fuel pumps, carburetors, distributors, rebuilding them and making them like brand new. He did an amazing job on these. I'm going to go into more detail in another video on what he did and how he did it, and it's amazing. But I will give you a quick sneak peek here. Hold on just a second. Alright guys, check out this fuel pump. Man, it looks good. It looks like it's brand new. He completely takes them apart and replaces all the parts that need to be replaced, and makes them like brand new. He tests them for pressure to make sure they have the correct PSI. Check this out. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is going to be awesome. I'm doing a completely stock rebuild, so it's really exciting to have the original parts all done up really nice. Very, very well done. Nice detail. Everything is almost like new. It's amazing. Anyway, I'm going to go into more detail about this later. He's going to send me some pics and video of what he did so I can share it with you guys. Just want to give you a quick sneak peek. This is his card. If you guys need any work done on your carburetors, distributors, fuel pumps, he also does Porsche work. Give him a call or an email. Very nice. Alright guys, just a quick shop update. I wanted to keep you guys in the loop on what's going on out here. I was out of town for a couple weeks. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen some of the posts. You can follow me at CT Moog or CT Moog, M-O-O-G, and that's on Instagram. Check it out. Go on there, follow me, and I'll follow you guys back. Stay tuned, there's more coming, lots more. I appreciate you guys being patient with me. You know, I'm just one guy out in his garage and having fun. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos, and I hope you're having fun too. See you later.